Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by readying both phones, charge them and sign into the same account. This simplifies permissions and restores. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so devices can discover each other quickly. Make sure you have a transfer cable or the official app installed, because wired transfers are faster and avoid cloud limits. Also, back up critical photos or contacts to local storage so you can recover if something fails. This step reduces risk and speeds the actual migration. You now initiate the transfer. Open the migration assistant on the new phone and follow prompts to connect to the old phone. Select precisely what to move: apps, messages, photos, settings, because moving everything can hit storage limits. If possible, choose a wired connection. It's faster and more reliable for large libraries. Grant permissions when requested and keep both screens unlocked and active. Monitor progress bars. If an app stalls, pause non-essential apps and retry the single stalled item to avoid restarting everything. You finish by verifying the new phone. Open key apps, check messages and photos, and sign into accounts that require two-step verification. Make sure settings like ringtones and Wi-Fi networks moved correctly. If not, reconfigure them now to avoid later confusion. If something went wrong, a targeted retry works best. Reboot both phones, reconnect, and transfer only the missing categories. As a last resort, restore from cloud backup or move critical files manually via a computer. This ensures no single failure loses your data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.